Difficulty maintaining focus in conversations is a subtle but impactful aspect of cognitive aging that can affect personal and professional relationships, as well as overall communication effectiveness. This challenge reflects changes in attention networks, working memory capacity, and the brain's ability to filter distractions, particularly in dynamic, multisensory environments like group discussions, meetings, or noisy social settings. When the ability to sustain focus declines, you may find your mind wandering, missing important details, needing repetition, or struggling to keep track of the conversation thread. Over time, this can lead to frustration, reduced engagement, and even social withdrawal. Recognizing these early warning signs is crucial because targeted interventions can strengthen attentional control, enhance working memory, and preserve meaningful communication. Warning signs include frequently losing track of conversations, asking people to repeat themselves, struggling to remember details shared moments ago, or mentally drifting while someone is speaking. You may notice difficulty integrating verbal information with nonverbal cues, trouble following multi-person discussions, or feeling mentally exhausted after extended social interactions. These patterns indicate that selective attention and working memory networks are under strain, reducing the efficiency of information processing during social interactions. Awareness of these signs allows for proactive strategies to maintain conversational focus and overall cognitive resilience. Digital cognitive training is highly effective for addressing conversational attention deficits. Apps such as BrainHQ, Lumosity, and CogniFit provide exercises targeting selective attention, working memory, and dual task coordination. Examples include tasks requiring focus on specific stimuli while ignoring distractors, recalling sequences of verbal or visual information, or switching attention between competing streams of input. Consistent daily practice, 20 to 30 minutes, several times per week, reinforces neural networks in the prefrontal cortex, anterior cingulate, and parietal regions, enhancing the brain's ability to sustain focus and process complex information during conversations. Gradually increasing task complexity improves adaptability to real-world social situations, including dynamic discussions and multi-person interactions. Nutrition plays a significant role in supporting attention and working memory during conversations. B vitamin-rich foods, such as eggs, leafy greens, legumes, and fortified cereals, support neurotransmitter synthesis, energy metabolism, and cholinergic pathways critical for attention and memory encoding. Polyphenol-rich foods, including green tea, berries, dark chocolate, and colorful vegetables, provide antioxidant protection, enhance cerebral blood flow, and support synaptic plasticity, preserving efficiency in networks responsible for focusing on relevant information. Omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish, flax seeds, or walnuts further enhance neuronal communication and cortical connectivity, reinforcing attentional control in dynamic situations. Maintaining hydration is also important, as even mild dehydration can impair concentration and reduce information retention during discussions. Physical activity is highly beneficial for maintaining focus in conversations. Aerobic exercise, including walking, swimming, cycling, or dancing, increases blood flow to prefrontal and parietal regions, improves neural efficiency, and stimulates neurotrophic factors like BDNF, which enhance working memory and attentional networks. Activities that integrate cognitive and motor challenges, such as dance sequences, interactive sports, or dual-task exercises, provide simultaneous stimulation for attention, working memory, and sensory integration, mirroring the demands of real-world conversations. Even short, consistent daily sessions of 15 to 30 minutes can produce measurable improvements in focus and mental stamina. Sleep and stress management are essential for sustaining conversational attention. Quality sleep consolidates recent information, strengthens synaptic connections, and supports cortical networks responsible for attentional control and working memory. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep per night. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, impairing prefrontal and parietal function, reducing the ability to maintain focus, and increasing susceptibility to mind-wandering. Incorporating mindfulness practices, meditation, yoga, or brief restorative breaks during cognitively demanding days helps regulate stress, preserve attentional resources, and enhance the ability to sustain focus during conversations. Practical strategies for improving focus in conversations include active listening techniques, such as paraphrasing what was said, summarizing key points, and asking clarifying questions. Minimizing environmental distractions, Maintaining eye contact and mentally chunking information into manageable segments reinforce attentional control. Visualization techniques, like mentally picturing key points or associating names with visual cues, strengthen working memory for the conversation. Regularly practicing these strategies in low-pressure settings, such as casual social interactions or structured group activities, reinforces neural circuits involved in sustaining focus and enhances confidence in dynamic social situations. The positive aspect of difficulty maintaining focus in conversations is that it is highly trainable and responsive to combined interventions. By integrating selective attention and working memory exercises, B vitamin and polyphenol-rich nutrition, omega-3 supplementation, aerobic and dual-task physical activity, quality sleep, stress management, and practical conversational strategies, it is possible to restore focus, improve information retention, and maintain effective communication. Early recognition allows proactive engagement, transforming potential social challenges into opportunities to strengthen cognitive resilience, attentional control, and interpersonal confidence. With consistent, integrated practice, the ability to sustain focus during conversations can remain robust, supporting social, professional, and cognitive well-being well into later adulthood.